Thank you for this opportunity. I take this opportunity to announce the foray of Kevin Care into men's grooming. As you all know that Kevin Care has been a pioneer in most of the FMCG categories in the country today. Be it in personal care, be it in shampoos, be it in milkshakes. Kevin Care has always been taking this path of innovation to be able to drive growth across most of the FMCG categories. Today is one occasion where we're launching a new brand. We're first getting into men's grooming category. Why men's grooming? One big trend that we're seeing in the industry today is that unlike the earlier years, today we are seeing a lot of spends from the men's grooming segment. Men in general have been spending a lot of their money in grooming themselves, not just in apparels, not just in watches or accessories, but the personal care stroke beauty segment has also been significantly increasing as far as men's consumption is concerned. We would like to leverage this space and also create innovation in this space. So today we are actually announcing the foray of Kevin Care into men's grooming as a segment with the launch of Bikers as a brand. Bikers as a brand is aimed at providing solutions to men at large and bikers in particular. One of the key areas that we've seen of concern for men has been their hair care segments, right? And when you look around the set of products that we haven't seen a lot of shampoo-based products for men. Men in general use common shampoos. There's not been a male-specific shampoo in particular. So we're starting the brand launch of Bikers with a very specific launch of shampoo for men. It's called a helmet repair shampoo, where we believe that we will be able to provide solutions to men, especially the biker segment. As a follow-up to this, we'll have a lot of other subcategories that the brand gets into. The brand would eventually be available across 10 lakh outlets that Kevin Care has got across the country. It will also be very significantly available in modern trade as well as the e-commerce outlets. So we very strongly believe that this is one more area of growth opportunity for us, and a lot of work that we have done in the recent past, in a lot of investments that we have done in terms of research and development to bring out these products. We believe Bikers as a brand will be a very significant brand in our portfolio, and the launch of the shampoo to start with is a journey that we will start. Thank you.